5G, 5G, 5G. For the whole world is looking at 5G. 5G brings very huge data rates where you can download big files and movies within seconds. It also brings a lot of new features and functions. At the same time, it promises to connect billions of new devices to the 5G network. But are we ready for 5G? In India, still a lot of users are stuck with basic 2G services. So, is it end of road for 2G? Let us understand that.
So, let us understand what is the current status of 2G user in India. Airtel and Vodafone, which is the two largest operators in India, actually have a lot of 2G users, where Airtel have around 283 million with total users, and out of that 135 million are on 2G, which is actually the 47% of the total user base. At the same time, Vodafone Idea, which has the largest share in 2G users, which is actually 291 million total users, and out of that 174 million is on 2G, which is approximately 60% of their total user base. Is it really easy for them to get rid of these 2G users? Don't think so. Now, Jio, which is actually a pure play 4G network and has no dependency on 2G and 3G networks, talks about 2G Mukt Bharat, which is again is a easy thing for them, and also it will help them to get a better lead on the existing 2G operators, which are like Airtel and Vodafone Idea. Now let us understand what are the current spectrum status in case of 2G. Airtel has already announced that they are going to use 2G spectrum for 4G services to enhance their indoor coverage. Why indoor coverage? Because it relies on mainly 900 MHz band, which gives you better indoor coverage, which they are as of now using for 2G, and they plan to use this spectrum for 4G in mostly all the circles. Airtel has already used its 3G spectrum for 4G network. Now, maintaining 2G network infrastructure has also a huge cost implementation for Airtel, and they really want to get rid of that and purely dependent on 4G network. Now, what is going to be new in 4G and 5G? Let us understand that. 4G and in turn 5G offers much higher data rates and the better services. Operators are working with mobile manufacturer to bring in cheaper phones for 4G and in future 5G. How it will help the operator? Because most of the 2G users are running with some basic phones, and with the cheaper 4G and 5G, or I'll say feature 4G phones, 4G and 5G phones will help to tap those users and bring those users to 4G and 5G network. Also, a lot of upgrade infrastructure is happening in 5G. So operators are putting really huge money to upgrade their infrastructure to 5G, and that they also need to manage this cost by scrapping their 2G network. Now, 5G also promises to connect more devices and more users to the network, and this is the way forward. So, is it the end of the road for 2G? In India, we can't say that easily because Airtel and Vodafone Idea are heavily dependent on 2G users, and it will take some time for them to get rid of all the 2G users or bring those users to 4G and 5G network. Right? What are your thoughts on this? Please share your thoughts in the comment section or feel free to write it to me. Thank you very much.